I'm RM Rao. My age is 56 years. I have been suffering from hemorrhoids for a long time. Recently, I came to know about Dr. Sandip Banerjee, and I contacted him and got the surgery done. That is stapled hemorrhoidectomy. Minimum invasive, minimum blood loss, and very carefully he treated me, and my problem is solved. I am very thankful to him. He's well versed with the latest equipment and surgery methods. Very much satisfied, and I recommend him. I recommend patients suffering from these problems, please contact him and get the problem solved. Get a good treatment in the hands of a good doctor. I'm very thankful to him, and my best wishes. May God bless him with a bright future. I'm fully satisfied with the treatment I got.